I'm James View.
And I'm Bob View. And together we're bandbforge. Alright, welcome back to the channel. We are back on hammers. I told y'all this was coming. But I've already punched this and they have the next, this one plus two more for the next set of videos. I am not going to be showing so much as the punch and drift as more as the finishing of them. By doing it all in one video, I end up getting too much film to crank down into about 15 minutes without either cutting a lot out or doing nothing but speed hammering fast forward stuff. So we're going to cut out a lot of the getting it to this point, because at this point I've got enough videos of me punching and drifting eyes, and we're going to go with more on how shaping, dressing. I will show a little bit of grinding on this. On the other two, we may break out the electric etch. Well, actually, I know on one of them for sure. The second one, I'm still coming up with an idea. So let's stick around. We'll get this thing done, and we'll see y'all at the end. Alright, so when it comes out of the heat, we're going straight to dropping the drift in. I'll start working out my cheeks. That's going to help me figure out where I need to put my fullers in and kind of help lay out the hammer from that point. That's how I do it. That's not how everybody does it. That's my method that I found that works for me. You know, you can give it a try and see if it works for you. Check out County Line Forge if you want to see how he does it. They're in Hans Groff over at Charming Hollow. Everybody's got a little different technique. You got to figure out what works for you.
Alright, so I got my cheeks kind of started out where I know where they're going to end up being. I'm now going to go start rounding my faces, go back in, come out, and then we're going to start setting the fullers. Once the fullers are set, then I can finish off my cheeks. Alright, so you saw me do the first, fellas. It's the exact same thing on the other end, so I'm going to do that off camera. We'll come back. When I do, we'll be starting to finish off those cheeks, and then we can start grinding. So, hope y'all still with me.
been fun. Should have gotten this done almost 3 hours ago, but life got in the way, so it's done. Hope y'all can see the kind of the look that I'm going for. B&B. But it is finished. I just got to get it handled and on to the next one. So, like I said, I got a couple hammers I got to get done before the end of the month, so they will be on here. I haven't decided if I'm going to show the full forging on them, but I am going to be doing some electric etch on one, possibly both of them. If I do that, I know I will film that and put a video out. Other than that, like, comment, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And speaking of new to the channel, I want to thank all my new subscribers. Since my last video where I did the collab with John Switzer, we've jumped almost 100 subs in a week, and thank y'all. That's mind-blowing. That's nowhere near my normal growth rate. One a day the last month in January and February I was pretty ecstatic about, but to grow almost 100 in a week is insane. So welcome, thank y'all. T-shirts, Teesprings will be in the comments. I also have my Patreon link. That's what I'm trying to get out of my mouth. So Teesprings link, Patreon link, and my email address will be in my description. If you are interested in any of the three, go ahead and check out. We do now have stickers. It's the B&B logo, coffee mug, and a couple shirts. So go check them out if you want to. If you don't, no need. But everything I make off that goes back into the shop and the channel, so that hopefully I can get off this phone and get a real camera. But it's been a day, and I'm gonna go inside. And y'all have a good one. From bandbforge. We'll catch y'all on the next one.